sa isip ko lang, no? Nag-calculate ako date. Tapos, this school year, first year, yung 14 is Wednesday. So, next year, second year is Thursday. Third year, Friday. Tapos, last year, fourth year, assuming hindi tayo mag-return Sabado, yung 14 February. So, what if lang, what if meron na sa fourth year, may kasama na sa February 14. Alang what if may demon kasi, ay naku, may demon, ibang klase na. Wala pa kami tapos episode 13 pa lang. Pinanood namin ngayon ni Jill 12 pati 13. 14, 15, 16, tatlo pa. Okay, meron sa future.